BCSizing was built from a PhD study into the fit of women's clothing to prove that all clothes were made to a B-cut bra and find a solution suitable for mass production. The findings of the PhD have been formatted into an AutoCAD system for mass production. You're first taken to our dashboard, which shows you size selection, the library, and a filing cabinet for your planned patterns and grading. The first step you need to do is be selecting who your customer is on her size, selecting from 3 statures, 5 different figure shapes, and incorporated into each body is 6 different cup sizes. There is a corresponding size chart for each body size, which can be downloaded as an Excel spreadsheet. The library stores the garment blocks for each body size. Currently, the bodice block, skirt block, and trouser block. Open up the portfolio case, click on the block you want to use, and it takes you to the workspace. The garment block is dropped onto the workspace. You can see a selection of tools down the left and commands along the top bar. These have been created to represent manual pattern cutting techniques using a very user-friendly, simplistic site where you have every tool you need and nothing that you don't. There is a tool that enables you to mirror the pattern piece across to create the total pattern. And also we have an automatic seam allowance tool set at 1 cm, 2, there's 4 different variables. If you click on any pattern shape, click on the seam allowance tool, it will automatically add the seam allowance around that pattern piece. You can also mirror over completed pattern pieces ready for your fabric lay. So shown here is mirroring over a front piece that has already got the seam allowance added on and the front placket. To add in a second pocket, you can also do copy paste, which will give you the second pattern piece ready for pattern lay. Clicking on the fabric width tool brings up a red box at the fabric width that you're choosing, and you're able to arrange your pattern pieces inside the box, and it gives you the measurement on the right hand side of the consumption. Back on the main dashboard, you also have the ability to share the patterns internally and with factories that are using BCSizing. You can also upload DXF files. Our files also can be saved as DXF as well as SVG files. BCSizing is proven to fit 79% of women based on their body measurements. Why? Because we've added figure shapes into the regular sizing, specifically bra cup sizing into the regular body shape. BCSizing can create the first pattern in any size and grade that pattern all in our system, block to block grading in any size. BCSizing's goal: reduce your fit-related returns by giving the customer what they want, clothes that actually fit their diverse figure shapes.